Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use image to image on Leonardo AI. Now all we need to do is to go ahead and open up the Leonardo AI app. So this can actually be accessed in our browser right here. And then let's go ahead and create an image. So I'm going to be clicking on image generation under the AI tools tab. So go ahead and click on this. And then, this will open up your previously generated items right here. And then, let me just go ahead and create a random prompt right here. And then I'm just going to click on generate. And then let me show you how we can go ahead and use an image to create an image on Leonardo AI. So you can actually use your own image if you want. Say for example, we have this amoeba blob creature right here. So for us to go ahead and use any of these images, all we need to do is to click on image guidance right here. And then we can go ahead and upload an image. So this can be in PNG, JPG, or WebP up to 5 megabytes. Or we can actually go ahead and use the recent images that was generated. So say for example, let's use this one right here. Now as you can see, this will go ahead and utilize this as the image. You can go ahead and choose how strong the image guidance is. If you want this to be exactly or very, very similar to it, you can go ahead and do that. If you want it to be something quite minimal, you can go ahead and do that as well. So go ahead and choose the image that you want. And as you can see, this would have uploaded this as well if you wanted to. Or you can go ahead and add in some more details in here. So I'm going to be clicking on generate once again. And then should be able to see something like this. And as you can see, it is very, very similar to this image that we have used. And again, you can go ahead and use your own. So as you can see, we have this image guidance that was utilized in this. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.